Want to do a quick little review on the rough country 6-inch lift with 35 MT2s. Just got it done a few days ago and I'm very impressed with it. It was for the best price, installed out the door. It was about $3,000, just below $3,000. Installation and everything. These are the MT2s, very rugged, mud terrain tires. And the stance is pretty well. I have an Airlift 1000s installed already to help with the sag. Installed them myself. It was pretty easy. I think I have the wheels that I have on here. I got them off eBay. They're Mayhem, whatever. I think they're like 9 inches wide, but they run perfect for these tires in the lift. I did get the upgraded into shocks that Rough Country offers. This kit is running on a 2013 Ram 1500 quad cab. It runs pretty well. I mean, as best as it could. It's not too bouncy. The tires do make a little bit more noise than what I was used to, but it's not a bad sound. It's not even very loud. At around 70 miles an hour, it does kind of shake a little bit, but it's not like an uncontrollable shake. It's just because it's higher off the ground, I believe, but you barely notice it at all. Like I said, I really enjoy this lift. It looks great. It drives great. And if you're debating on getting the Rough Country 6-inch with the N2 shocks and 35s, it's a perfect match. And I highly agree that you should get it.